Hello everyone, Ludmel here. Welcome to my BadAss bonuses review. Today I'm presenting an amazing product by Digital Dams that is launching from today till August 21st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In today's review, I'm going to explain in detail what is BadAss bonuses all about. I'm going to discuss with you my insane bonus bundle that always are coming with great products, with amazing software and tutorials to give you additional value when you grab BadAss bonuses through my link that is below this video. And also I'm going to show you BadAss bonuses members area and a sneak peek inside of the sales page as well. Well, with no further delay, let's go to see what is BadAss all about, BadAss bonuses all about. Well, code crack. We never worry about not making money online. Copy and paste, push button system make us over $882 in affiliate commissions every day, working no more than 30 minutes a day. These are the statements from Digital Dams. These are the methods that they are using in their business, and they are obtaining amazing results. And you can also grab and all the amazing details and knowledge to boost your business. BadAss bonuses is a collection of over 80 of our done-for-you bonuses with full right that you can use in your affiliate promotions or list building to 10x your conversions and results. This is amazing. BadAss bonuses include high-quality 2021 full-blown courses by super affiliates, tutorials, softwares, and templates created by experts and top marketers for beginners to start their affiliate marketing business and experienced marketers to scale their existing business. Together, they are worth well over $7,700, and you are receiving this now during the launch for only $17 at the front end. This is amazing. Well, let's go to see in area. In here, you are in BadAss bonuses members area. You have in the left panel all the amazing content that is coming in this very comprehensive training and course. You have a welcome video by these beautiful ladies, Nanda and Paula Marie, very good friends of mine, and they are amazing digital marketers. They are very active, publishing amazing products every month practically, and they are doing so well. And now you have the opportunity to receive the amazing products that they are publishing in 2021 in this product that are putting together all the bonuses, the best bonuses to give you an amazing training. And and also you receive all the trainings for the different products, and you have amazing bonuses here. Only to mentioning the most popular products in 2021 from Digital Dams. You have MEV, Zen, Zenobia, Cleopatra. This has been amazing launches and such of a great products that you are receiving all these and additional top marketers that you can see here 80 different products, and these are giving you an amazing opportunity to improve your campaigns and to all the results that you are obtaining till now. And well, then you have here a mini BadAss tutorial that also you are receiving amazing value here from the experiences of these great top marketers. In bonus, in here you have BadAss traffic bonuses, all the different strategies that they are using to get the best traffic sources for their business. BadAss affiliate training bonuses that you are receiving here. Look all the content you are receiving here. Amazing value from digital dams. BadAss monetization bonuses as well. Fast action BadAss bonuses. You have also in here the opportunity to upgrade your purchases, and during the launch this is a great opportunity because the prices are very low in comparison with the regular price that they are charging for these trainings and for this upgrade. Actually, I highly recommend. I'm very happy and excited to have the opportunity to grab BadAss bonuses because this is a great opportunity to get amazing bonuses that you can use in your own business, and this is what I'm going to do myself. I'm going to get BadAss bonuses during the launch because it's the best way to grab the best prices, and even you can do the upsell. I highly recommend that. Let me go back to my bonus page. I'm going to show you my amazing bonuses that I put together free of charge for all of you that decide to grab BadAss bonuses through my link that is below this video. And if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It always is a great pleasure to be in contact with all of you through this window. And let's go to see in bonus number 1, you get access to an amazing product that is Aurora. This is Aurora Pro by the super affiliate John Armstrong, that is my mentor inside of Minister of Freedom course. He's an amazing super affiliate that he's obtaining amazing results, and you get access to Aurora Pro free of charge when you grab BadAss bonuses through my link that is below this video. And also in bonus number 2, you get access to 3 ways to get traffic to your gig by John Armstrong as well. In bonus number 3, you get access to 40 high quality leads magnet to build your list. In bonus number 4, you get access to Backlink Warrior. This is an amazing product as well by Jono, but be aware that this is only available in the first 24 hours. And in bonus number 5, you get access to the special bonuses from the vendor for all of you that decide to grab BadAss bonuses through my link that is below this video. In here you see all, when you grab BadAss bonuses through my link, you get access to all my custom bonuses and all the vendor bonuses for free. Even if you grab only BadAss bonuses at the front end, but I highly recommend you to grab the Upsells. I'm going to be more in detail later, but let me show you inside of the sales page. Well, you have here a welcome video by Digital Dance. This is Paula Marie. In this amazing opportunity, you can see as well all the screenshots that show you how well this strategy of bonuses are working for them. Look here. These are proof that this method is working very well. In here there are some testimonial from Cynthia Benitez, from Akhtar Alam. They are also very good friends of mine and colleagues inside of Minister of Freedom community. And also you can grab BadAss bonuses through this link to this red button, and here the digital dams, Paula Marie, Nanda. Well, you can have additional information here that you can see at your own page, more screenshot testimonials. Let's see, you can have also, let me show you the bonuses, because these are the party of bonuses. You are receiving bonuses from the product, you are receiving bonuses from the vendor, you are receiving bonuses from myself. And well, this is an amazing launch, and stay with me because you are going to see. Oh, you have here also, if you act quickly, you have a coupon discount of $4 off. That means that you are, instead of paying $17, you are going to pay $13 one time, and you receive all the amazing content inside of BadAss bonuses. Well, but you have to act quickly. Decide, and you don't have nothing to lose, because everything is granting for 30-day money back guarantee, and you don't have nothing to lose. And well, in here, these are the bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1, banking with bonuses. Bonus number 2, free traffic mystery bonus. Bonus number 3, how we make multiple passive income stream fast. Well, these are the amazing opportunity for you to grab additional content, great content for your business, for you improve all the strategies that you are using now. Well, let's go to talk about prices and upsell. When you grab at the front end BadAss bonuses for only $17, you are receiving access to the powerful BadAss bonuses software and training modules that you saw. All the content that is inside is amazing. You get also the opportunity to, and I highly suggest that you get the order bump, VIP support for only $7. You get the support you need right at the time you desperately need it. Direct access to BadAss VIP support team, where you are guaranteed to get fast and efficient support. Then you get you can upgrade in upsell number 1, and you are receiving advanced training, make people salivate over your promotions, and is for only $37 in the downsells during the launch period. These affiliate strategies are the ones we got to every single time we want to crush any affiliate promotion and win the affiliate contest. Include a videos walkthrough that show you our best strategies for you to copy what we are doing. You see how to triplet your result, how to choose the right bonuses for your campaign, the formula we swear by, your Presell tools, live engagement call, the power interview campaigns, our Sexiest headline that deliver, where to find even more high quality custom bonuses. Wow, this is awesome. Upsell number 2, you get multiples 100% profit stream for only $67 in the downsells, BadAss bonuses, MEV, and Sena reseller rights with commission throughout the entire funnel. Well, you get paid up to $617 per sale, 0 extra work, save 100 seconds of hours, and headache developing your own product, save 1,000 on marketing and development costs. Our professional team handle all post-sales support. Nothing for you to unload or host. In upsell number 3, get more money without boosting your ass for only $27 in the downsell. Two simple tweaks continue to transform affiliate campaigns results without any heavy lifting or extra work. Upsell number 4, smoke your competitors with these free traffic hacks for only $47. Leave your competitors in the dust, tapping into our free traffic source that never lets us down. 2021 Affiliate Insider tell all how to optimize and benefit from over 2 billion active users. Well, you have here all the information that you require, and remember that this launch is live and you have to act before the countdown timer hits 0, because after that all my custom bonuses and all the vendor bonuses expire, and you don't want to miss this amazing opportunity. And now you have all the information that you require to make a decision. Please make a decision quickly and smart. You don't have nothing to lose, and I highly recommend BadAss bonuses, because this is a weird occasion that you are able to obtain such an amazing value for a symbolic price of $17. And thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you so much for being here. Please stay safe, take care of yourself, and enjoy life. To the next time. Bye bye.